Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you where to enter a promo code inside the Menulog app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, open up the Menulog app as you normally would and make a purchase. So I'll just quickly go through this. Alright, for this demonstration, I'm going to order some Koi Viet rolls. So I'm just going to pick a combo deal. I'm going to add this to my cart. So I'll click on add, just go through this quickly, see what I've missed. All right, I'm gonna add this to my cart. And now from here, just view your basket and then check out your basket, make sure everything's correct here. And then you wanna go to the next page where it says go to checkout. And now you need to make sure to log in or create an account, or you can continue as a guest. So I'm just gonna quickly log in. All right, I've logged in and I'm at the checkout section. So under where it says order details, scroll down and it's got vouchers and discounts. This is where you add your promo code or coupon code. So just simply select here and put in your discount, but you need to make sure to add a delivery address. So I'm going to do that now. All right, once you've done that, click into there to put in your discount code and then scroll down. That discount code, promo code will subtract from your order summary here. So if you got a $10 voucher or whatever, the bill will be $9.69. Click on order and pay, and that will take you to the next section to confirm your order. And also you need to select your payment method as well. So just click into that, select credit or debit card, PayPal, Google Pay. Once you've done that, click on order and pay and you're good to go.